Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can delete the Gmail on your Google account, as well as how to delete the whole Google account. So what we can do is, first of all, we need to go to the Google account settings. So we can click on this icon over here with 9 dots with Google Apps, and then we need to go to account. We will open another page, and then on the left side we want to click data and privacy. Then we need to scroll down a little bit until we find this section over here, download or delete your data. So we can click delete a Google service, and then we'll open this page where we can delete our Gmail. We can click on this trash icon, and then we will need to use a different email address. However, it cannot be a Gmail address, so we need to use any other mail provider in that case. And after that, we need to send verification email and proceed with the instructions. However, if you want to, you can remove your Google account completely. So let's go back, and then we're gonna once again scroll down in data and privacy, and then over here under more options we will find delete your Google account. And if we go there, then we will need to enter our password. Then we will have a bunch of information about the consequences of deleting the Google account, so you might need to read this out. You can also download your data in case you don't want to lose anything, and if you are certain that you want to remove your Google account, then you can also tick this box that you want to, especially this one, that you want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. So after that, we need to click this button and our Google account should be gone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.